Purpose. What is purpose? A sense of determination. There are so many different meanings based on what you understand and what you can easily interpret. But this morning, I chose a very simple meaning which says a sense of determination. Most of us young people, we are struggling in life. And the reasons why we are struggling in life because we have not yet found purpose. That's why we struggle a lot. Today you see you are in this direction. The next day you are in this other direction. The next day you are in this other direction. Why? Because you have not yet found purpose. You've not asked yourself, why am I created? Why am I in this world? What are the things I'm supposed to do for myself that will make me feel fulfilled? Because by the time you ask yourself all of these questions, you will get what we call a sense of direction and orientation. You will not just want to live your life like that, the way other people are doing things. You will not want to do things that same way. You are going to walk because you have a purpose. So you are directed. Your moves are guided. Your steps are guided. Because I am working on this purpose. All of us standing here today, we have purpose. We have a reason why we are being created. But have you ever pictured yourself or asked yourself a question, what is my purpose in life? What am I created for? What am I living for? What am I meant for? That's why I say it's a sense of determination. When you find out your purpose, you have to stay determined. Because if you don't stay determined, you will never achieve it. Maybe my purpose in this world is for me to come, see others progress, and then at the end, I'll just die and go back like that. No! There's a reason why you were created. You need to find out that reason and work on it. Number one, reason why you need to have a purpose is that what? It gives you a sense of direction and guidance towards your goal. You need to find out your purpose. And the first importance why you need to find out your purpose is that what? It gives you a sense of direction. Most of us, we are looking for money, but we don't know the kind of money we are looking for. It's not just about, I want to be rich, but how? What kind of riches do you want to achieve in life? Because if you ask me, I want to be rich, richer, and the richest. Because you can be rich, but you're not richer, and you're not the richest. So I want to start from being rich, go to richer, and then richest. But how can I achieve that? It is only when I have a purpose. That purpose will give me a sense of direction. Walk like this. Walk like this. Walk like this. Walk like this. Because I have found my purpose. But if you have not yet found your purpose, you just be everywhere. Today you are selling tomatoes. Tomorrow you are selling omo. The next day you are selling SIM cards. The next day you are selling green tea. The other day you are selling savon. No. When you know your purpose, it will give you a sense of direction on how to work every day. You know that this is the direction I have to follow in order for me to achieve my goals, in order for me to hit my targets. And I say that word, it gives you a sense of direction and guidance. It directs your path. When you know your purpose, you are directed on the path to follow. You don't just do everything because you see people succeeding. You see somebody today, the person has a clothing shop and the person is successful. You think that when you also do it, you'll be successful. It's a lie. That person has found their purpose in that thing and the person knows how to do it better. So you can also do it, but you don't find purpose in it. You are not fulfilled. You are not determined because it's not your own calling. You can see somebody selling SIM card and the person is very successful, but you go and do it and you're not successful because it is not your purpose. Success in life is not about copying what other people are doing that will make you successful. It's about finding out what will work for you and then working on that thing for you to succeed. That's purpose. So as a young person, be guided. Don't see your friends doing this thing, you follow. You see people doing this thing, you follow. That's why I've always choose my path. I don't do things because I see other people doing it. I do things because I have willed my strength, I have willed my capacity, and I know I am fit for it. That's how I work. Number two reason why you need to find out your purpose, it says that word. It helps you stay organized and focused. When you find your purpose, it helps you stay organized and focused. For example, when you know that today, tomorrow, this is where I'm going to, what happened? You organize yourself. And when you wake up from there, you know, this is where I'm going to, you are focused. But if you are not finding out your purpose, when you wake up from bed, you'll be like, today what am I supposed to do? Today what am I going to? You are just confused. But when you have found your purpose, it helps you stay organized. Yesterday, I know very well that today I'm supposed to be at work. So what happened? I look, this is my hairstyle. Can I still carry it tomorrow? What dress am I going to wear tomorrow? What time am I supposed to be in the office? What time am I supposed to wake up, prepare my daughter, prepare myself? Is my car clean or do I need to go and wash it? All those things. Okay, now today, after I come to work in the morning, after the morning meeting, what am I supposed to do? I have a lot of other things to do. So what happened is that what? I already know that this is what I'm supposed to do. I will now do what? Get myself ready. Get myself organized. And the next day, I will be focused on it. Purpose. But when you don't know what you're supposed to do, when you wake up in the morning, maybe you follow other people. You see people are going to plant their egusi now. You follow them to go and help them and plant their egusi. Tomorrow you see people, they are helping carry Indian bamboo. They are offloading Indian bamboo from the car. You go and join. After that, they'll pay you 200. The next day you see Bambe from Kumba. You go and join Bambe. The next day you see Shantier. They are molding blocks. You go and join the Shantier mold blocks. What happened? You are everywhere, but you cannot be found anywhere. They will see you here, they see you here, they will see, but they cannot find you anywhere. But a purposeful person, you know where to find that person. Yes, you know where to find that person. For example, in the morning, you'll be looking for me. You say, I'm looking for madam. I don't understand. You know my office. You come and check for me there. If I'm not in there, you know I've gone to class quarters. Because that's what I do in my life. But somebody does not have purpose, you'll be wondering like, if I go to madam's house this morning, is madam there? Or maybe she has gone to the market. Or maybe, you don't know where to find me. But because it is clear to you that if you don't see me, I'm in class quarters, you know where to find me. That's purpose. Because some people, they cannot find them anywhere. Today, he was in a Shantier. The next day, if they offload Indian bamboo from Shantier, if they offload box for my 17 pack, you're just everywhere. Purpose makes you to be somewhere, to belong. Somewhere where they can find you. Number 3, you live a value life. When you know your purpose, you live a value life. I always say that young people, you see all this smoking, you smoke, you think you are enjoying. You think you are enjoying. You chase ladies up and down, you think you are enjoying. Hey. If you know the life you want to live, you will not live that life anyhow now. If you know where you are going to tomorrow, you will not live anyhow. Because you know there are some things that you might do it now that might haunt you tomorrow. So you will not live anyhow. But somebody that does not have purpose, they live their life anyhow. For example, I was watching something that says there was a guy, he's a Cameroonian. So he used to do videos and talk about a lot of other countries, insult other countries and all that. One day he found himself at the embassy to do an interview. The first thing, they check his Facebook page. The kind of pictures, this kind of naked pictures with women and all that. That was what they find on his page. And they say, young man, sorry, you're not qualified for the job. He said, I'm qualified. I have all my certificates. I have all my documents. I have this. I have that. But when they check his Facebook page, they saw the kind of images, the kind of posts, the kind of comments he make under other people's posts. They say, young man, you are not qualified. A life of value. When you know where you are going to, you will not live your life anyhow. You will live with value. Standards. Let people know that when it comes to this thing, please don't call Tatiana's name. When it comes to this thing, don't call this person's name. Because people already know that you are living a valued life. People can even recommend you. You say you are looking for somebody to do this kind of job for you. They say, bam, call for a midget. They say you are looking for somebody to say, bam, call for Christy. Because people already know the kind of life that person is living. But as a young person, can people recommend you? Can people recommend you? Are you living a valued life? You see a lot of young people today, 40 years, 45 years, they have diabetes, they have high blood, they have sugar. Okay, diabetes is sugar anyways. They have it. Because while you are in your 18, 19, the highest set of people that observe that consume alcohol these days is this 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 to 25 years. They did drink. They did drink. What are you drinking for? What are you drinking for? And before you get to that age whereby you want to start working, when they give you, now say your hand makes so. Now say your hand makes so. When you go to this bush area, do you even know what they do? They're 4-4 fighter. Instead, their hands are making like this. When you know where you are going to, you will live a life with values. As a woman, if you know where you are going to, you will have standards. You don't just sleep with any man because you're looking for a man to marry. You don't just kiss any man anyhow. Take people's money anyhow. Do things anyhow because you want to live a standard and a valued life. This can only be possible when you know your purpose. Number 4, it helps you stay passionate. A purposeful life is a passionate life. When you know your purpose, you'll be passionate about what you do. You'll be passionate about your job. I must be passionate because the results I want to see, if I don't stay passionate, I'll not get it. That's why I say, when you come to CSME, don't say, I like the salary at the end of the month. You must first start by liking the job. If you like the work, the money will come. But if you like the money and you don't like the work, the money will not come. So, you must start by liking the job. When you like the job, from there the money will come. Purpose. Number 5, it helps you trust yourself and the process. When you have purpose in life, it makes you trust yourself. Sometimes we don't like the process. We don't really like the process because, the process, the way this thing is, I don't really like it. When I came to CSME, all I was interested in is the process. I needed to grow from one level to another at all costs. So I was ready to do the needful. Some of you today, when they say your appearance, you want to wear your appearance at your own pace. But you say you want to grow in the opportunity. When they say punctuality, you want to be punctual at your own pace, at your own time. You dress the way you like. You talk the way you want. You say, I've thrown on my mouth. Hey. The fact that you are in CSME does not mean that you'll be successful. But it is what you do while in CSME that will help you succeed. Your presence here is not a guarantee to success. But it's what you do without your presence here that is a guarantee to success. That's why I say it helps you trust yourself and believe in the process. When you have purpose, you trust in yourself. Nobody else needs, you don't need to seek people's approval. No, come and believe in me, trust in me, don't worry, very soon I will get there. Or you don't need me to keep encouraging you every day. Don't worry yourself, it's a matter of time, keep going, very soon you'll get to the top. You as a person need to trust yourself and trust the process. It is not about how long other people took. It's about how you understand the journey and how you are able to do the right thing at each stage to move to the top. That's what matters. Trust yourself. Other people's opinion will always get to you. But when you trust yourself, people come in with their own opinion. You say, well, thank you. Number 6, it makes you proactive and creative when you are purposeful. When you are purposeful, it helps you to be proactive and creative. I always say I don't like people who are too cool around me. Some people say, no, it's my character, it's the way I am. I don't like to, proactive is not just about wasted enthusiasm. Proactive is about how enthusiastic you are with the things you do. Number 7, it makes you live with integrity. When you are purposeful, it makes you live with what? Integrity. And if you look at CSME, under integrity, what do we have? Professionalism. Doing the right thing at the right time. When you are purposeful. When you are purposeful, you know that what? In the morning, this is the time people go to work. You'll not be in your own house sleeping. In the morning, this is the time people prepare themselves for their day. It's not time for you to go and gossip. You heard what happened yesterday in our church? Hey, let me gist you. How is that related to my life? Thank you, but this is time for me to go to work. Integrity is about what? Doing the right thing at the right time. Being in the right places at the right moments. About purpose. This one, I just want to encourage somebody. Don't live your life like somebody that does not have purpose. But live your life like somebody that knows where he or she is going to. With these 7 tips. It gives you a sense of direction and guidance towards your work. It helps you stay organized and focused. You live a valued life. It helps you stay passionate. It helps you trust yourself and the process. it makes you proactive and creative. Let me just